My name is Derek.
And my name is Calvin.
And we're the Intergalactic Brothers! We love learning about space and science.
We hope that you will learn with us.
Please like and subscribe! Today we're gonna learn all about Saturn! Saturn is a beautiful planet with rings, like my mom.
And it's my favorite planet. Saturn is so beautiful.
You see how much moons it has? We're first gonna tell you 6 facts about Saturn. And don't forget that there will be bonus facts.
Well, maybe.
There will be, Calvin. Okay.
Then, we're gonna see what will happen to Saturn when we put the sun right next to Saturn.
What do you think will happen?
I think the moons would go towards the sun.
Maybe some moons might crash into Saturn.
My second guess is that Saturn's rings will go into
Calypso!
Oh man. Derek, is that your favorite moon of Saturn?
Yes.
Oh man. Calypso is so adorable.
Calypso.
My favorite is Calypso also. And my second favorite is Atlas. Third, Pan. And fourth is... Hey, where are you? Oh, Minus.
Who's ready to learn all about Saturn? Fact number 1. Saturn is the second largest planet. It's almost as big as Jupiter. That's ultra big.
Fact number 2. Saturn's rings are made up of ice, dust, and rock. Some can be as small as a grain of sand or the size of a mountain.
Saturn is known for its rings. Whoop, 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 whoop. Fact number 3. Saturn have shepherd moons, which are just moons that are in its rings that are sweeping the ring particles to give the ring some shapes. Shepherd moons are
like shepherds and a flock of sheep.
The flock of sheep are the asteroids orbiting around Saturn, and the moons are the shepherd. They're just guiding the sheep, and it's like sweeping off the dust to make some like gaps in the rings.
Fact number 4. Saturn has thousands of ringlets, but 7 known rings.
Yeah, but thousands of ringlets. Imagine if you had thousands of ringlets orbiting around you. I wish I had ringlets.
Saturn is not the only planet with rings.
There are some other objects in the system that have rings. One of Saturn's moons have rings,
which is Rhea,
yeah. Jupiter have rings, just it's very hard to see them. And Uranus have rings that it kinda look weird. And Neptune have some rings also. And also Haumea even have rings. So Charcolo have rings. And Charon have rings. Scientists think Neutron have rings. Saturn is known for its rings, and it has the most rings in its solar system.
Wow, that's a lot of rings.
That's why it's so pretty to look at. My mom is kinda like Saturn. No, my mom is pretty like Saturn, and my mom have rings like Saturn. No. Rings.
Yeah, like these type of rings.
That you put on your hand, and rings that orbit Saturn. Silly. Fact number 5. Saturn has a storm on the North Pole. That's the polar hexagon, which big and giant hurricane that could literally fit 2 Earths in it. Isn't that very interesting? And Saturn's polar hurricane is much stronger than hurricanes are on Earth. So I guess you never want to live there.
Fact number 6. Saturn is so big, about 750 Earths can fit inside it. Chunka. Who's ready for some bonus facts? Boom. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun.
Saturn has 82 moons. That's why you see a bunch of moons. Well, since we could live on Saturn, scientists think that we can live on the moons. A few of the moons, like Mimas, have the underwater oceans beneath a layer of ice. And then sometimes geysers of water come out of the surface.
I bet you didn't know that.
Did you know that Saturn's largest moon is named Titan, and Titan is the only moon in the solar system that have an atmosphere? And scientists have discovered that it have oceans, but not oceans that have water. It's oceans that have CO2. So we could probably live in there, just we'll need to turn the CO2 into oxygen and hydrogen to make water. Saturn has the most moons in the solar system that we know of so far, and more moons are being discovered. Saturn is made out of mostly hydrogen and helium, and a little bit of other elements like methane, ammonia, and some other stuff. Titan is the 2nd biggest moon in the solar system.
Well, Berea is the 2nd biggest moon of Saturn.
Guess what? Saturn is also very light. It's the lightest planet in the solar system. If there was a bathtub or ocean big enough to hold Saturn, it would float. Is that crazy?
Yeah. Saturn is the only planet in our solar system that is lighter than water.
Crazy! Can you imagine playing with Saturn in a bathtub?
Oh, and just you might don't want to do that because the rings would go all over the place.
Yeah. Who's ready to place the sun near Saturn? Okay, we'll just need to zoom out. Zoom. Place the sun over here. Whoa, the sun is ginormous. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now. Oh.
Wait, I think it's on orbit.
Oh, look at everything!
Saturn is getting thrown out. And even the shepherd moons are getting thrown out.
Let's zoom out to see. Hypertherian is even getting thrown out. So it looks like all the moons are being pulled. It looks like that the moons are being pulled by the sun. Oh my goodness. And the sun is just exploding them to pieces. Look, Saturn is about to crash.
Whoa.
Look at Saturn. Saturn exploded! That's crazy. Is there any moons left? Oh, there's still moons left. Oh,
I think those are the last ones.
it looks like they've all crashed. So, it looks like that all the moons and the Saturn have crashed into the sun and get burned into sliveries. Isn't that amazing?
Oh, I'm Mitchie.
I hope you learned a lot about Saturn. I'm serious. A. Oh.
I'm serious B. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.
Pretty please subscribe, or I'll tell your mother.